Sabadi, sabadi. Where's all the rookies? Let's make Mok Kai today. Come on, let's go, let's go. Now add all the ingredients, but you can take off any ingredients that you don't want. But must have is salt, fish sauce, and MSG. Otherwise, that's on you if it doesn't taste good. And for the rice, make sure you soak it first, okay? And then blend it using any type of blender. Blend well. This is to thicken the sauce. This must have. Otherwise, not to be much. Otherwise, you lose. Nobody want to lose juice. That's what she said. And once you finish with your blended rice, pour it in with the chicken mixture. And if you don't have this sweet rice, you can use the sweet rice flour also. That works, like this one here. Okay, use maybe a cup, mix it with a little water and pour it in. That works too.
Rice flour.
But best to get sweet rice. You can get it from any Asian store. They do sell them small bags, so you don't have to get the 50-pound bag like we do. Okay, and then add everything to the chicken. You can also add any type of vegetable like mushrooms, bamboos, cabbage, greens, whatever is optional. But the main ingredient is what you want to add on, like I show you on the list there. As you can see, I'm using wings because I like wings instead of the whole chicken. But do whatever type of meat you like. That's also optional. But the wrapping, just watch me and learn. It's so easy.
Oh, I forgot.
Piece of cake once you know how. Oh, and I forgot to add chili, crushed pepper, so I'm just adding it on right now. Then the spice, do as much as you like. You don't like the spicy, don't add anything. But I like mine spicy. No spicy, no good. There you go. 45 minutes later. It's almost midnight. I'm still cooking up the storm. But I'm ready to try it right off the pot. And it's really good when you eat it like that. It's nice and hot, steamy. That's what I like. And here we go. Time to test it out. Make sure you always test it first before you feed to the general population, because you don't want no complaint, because there's no complaint department around here. Oh, look at that. So good. Try it, you guys. So easy. You can make, like I said, you can make with any kind of meat. Pork belly, fish, ribs, just to name a few. See how that look? That is so good. This time I didn't have that much different vegetable, so I just use what I have. I normally add a lot of vegetable. I like to add greens on mine.
Look at this. Ooh, look at that. It's so good. Look at this. So delicious. Mok Kai, Mok Kai. You can put whatever you want. Look at that. Gated rice. so good. See, look at that. Look at that. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye bye.
สบายสบายถูกใจก็คบกันไปเพราะฉันเป็นคนไม่สนอะไรไม่เคยคิดกวนใจใครสบาย